Let's verify the installation by typing Ollama ls. It will show the list of LLMs we have. So now it is showing that we are having Gemma 4, right? So we will run it. Gemma 4 col E2B. This is the model we installed. Okay. Now Gemma 4 is running in. Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Gemma 4, which is the latest LLM model completely free from Google. We will see how to use this Gemma in VS Code. Let's get started. Search VS Code in Google and install it. If you already have VS Code installed, you can skip this step. Scroll down. Sorry, on the top itself, it is showing that the file will be downloaded automatically. It is already downloading. It is here. Chrome is asking for approval of the download. Let's approve it. Okay. VS Code is downloaded here. Just double-click it and wait for the installer to start the process. Okay, accept it. Click on Next. Next. Click on Next. Next. And wait until the installation process is finished. Okay, click on Finish so that the VS Code will open for us. You need to sign into VS Code using any preferred method like a Google App ID or GitHub. I'm continuing with GitHub. Click on Continue or Authorize. Click on Open Visual Studio. Click on Continue. If you want, you can change the themes here. Click on Get Started. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll go to Chrome again and search for Ollama. Ollama. Click on it. Scroll down and click on Download here and click on Download for Windows. If it is Mac or Linux, you can choose whatever your operating system is, and we need to wait until the download is finished. It is around 1.8 gigabytes, so we need to wait for a few minutes or seconds depending on our internet speed. Okay, that the download is going good. Okay, now the download is finished. We will navigate to the download folder of the Ollama by clicking on the folder icon here. Just double-click on the icon so that installation process will start. Now close the AMA and open command prompt, and we need to type space, pull Gemma 4 latest, so that the latest available Gemma 4 will be installed. And we need to wait for a few minutes based on our internet speed. Okay, usually it will complete within 15 to 20 minutes. And one more thing, you need a lot of RAM for this. Make sure you have at least 32 gigs of RAM. Okay, the Ollama has installed our Gemma 4. Now you will open the extensions in VS Code and search for Continue Extension. Okay, install this one. You can see it is installed. Now what we have to do is we will open a new project from File. You can see in the left side, the Continue extension is visible for us. It is already there for me, but I will show you how to enable that one. For that, what you have to do is at the bottom, you have Connect Agent Options. You need to select, and you need to select Auto Connect so that the latest installed Gemma 4 will be automatically selected in the agent. Now open your project directory. So I am asking you to develop a HTML page which says proudly developed by Gemma along with VS Code. And actually, the performance and speed of the GMA4 purely depends on our hardware, that is RAM and GPU and CPU. So you need a better RAM and CPU for this to run smoothly. Okay, let's hit Enter button so that the file B will be imported into the project. Okay, now click on the import file. Now we'll save it. Now we'll go to our directory where the project is created. Here it is. This is index.html file available, and we opened it. You can see the HTML page downloaded by the Gemma 4. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik signing off.